Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Queen Pedii, and today we are going to be making a wine cork pumpkin. This is so adorable and very easy to make. First, we're going to start with all of our tools. We're going to start with our paint, and then our leaf, our acrylic leaf, and our wine corks. And last but not least, our hot glue gun. Now that we've got everything that we need, we are going to first paint both sides of the wine corks orange. I'm actually going to use two different orange colors because I want my pumpkin to kind of have a little bit of depth to it. And we wait for the corks to dry. Make sure to leave one cork unpainted because that will be our stem. Once you're done painting all of your wine corks, you're going to stack 4 wine corks side by side, and that's going to be your bottom row. And then you're going to stack 5 wine corks on top of your 4, and you're going to hot glue them all together. And we're going to go 4, 5, 6, 5, 4. That's how we're going to do it. So 4 on the bottom, 5 on top of that, 6 on top of that, 5 on top of the 6, and 4 on top of the 5. Remember that cork that we did not paint? We're going to use that as our stem. So we're going to glue that on top of our last row. And this should be your finished product. I know mine looks a little bit wonky, but it's still a cute little pumpkin, and no pumpkin is perfect. Okay, you guys? So I want to thank you guys for coming through and watching my video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed. And please like, share, and subscribe, and have a great one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.